want to make a sandwich, bread, cheese. We call this cold cuts. This means that sliced meat, like ham and turkey. Mayonnaise. We say mayonnaise or we say mayo. Some people say mayonnaise. Mayonnaise. But the American people, we just like to say mayonnaise. I know it's not technically the correct pronunciation, but this is how we like to say it. And of course, bread. If you prefer, sometimes we like to use salad dressing to add flavor to our sandwich. The first thing you want to do is put the mayonnaise onto the bread. So for example, you take a butter knife. A butter knife is a soft, less sharp knife. We call it a butter knife because butter is soft, so we just use it to take out butter or mayonnaise, and we spread it onto the bread. You put the butter knife inside the mayonnaise, and we spread, this means spread, the mayonnaise onto the bread. After you spread the mayonnaise onto the bread, it's time to add your cheese and your cold cuts. So now I'm going to add the slices of cheese. This is mozzarella cheese. Mozzarella is a soft cheese. It's very delicious and it's not salty. And you can choose as many slices as you like. We both like to use a little Italian dressing. Now make sure you shake this up because as you can see, the seasonings of this salad dressing, when you don't use it, it settles. Settles means to go down at the bottom of the bottle. So to get the most out of the salad dressing, you want to shake it up. Now please be careful. Make sure you do not pour too much because this can be very spicy or too oily. So you just want to put a little bit. Just a little bit. Next level. A ham and mozzarella cheese sandwich with mayo and Italian dressing. And this one is a turkey and mozzarella cheese sandwich with mayo and Italian dressing. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson, and if you're feeling hungry, please stop by Teacher Dara's house. I'll have a sandwich waiting for you. Always try your best, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Have a great day, everyone.